At the 2025 Defence IQ International Armoured Vehicles Conference in Farnborough, UK, Moog made a groundbreaking presentation, showcasing its Reconfigurable Integrated Weapons Platform, or RIwP, integrated into the Supacat High Mobility Transporter and the Dingo 3 armoured vehicles. This marked the first operational demonstration of the RIwP system outside the United States. These two platforms are being considered as key candidates for the British Army's ground-based air defence programme, aimed at enhancing short-range air defense and counter-unmanned aerial systems capabilities. The RIwP system, already proven on the Striker M-SHORAD, was shown equipped with Thales Starstreak high-velocity missile, Northrop Grumman's M230 LF Bushmaster cannon, and a 7.62mm machine gun. The system offers a versatile, modular solution to counter a wide range of aerial threats, including drones and helicopters, thanks to its ability to integrate various sensors and weapon systems. The Supacat HMT and Dingo 3 are both key contenders for the British Army's Land Mobility Programme, which aims to simplify and modernize the Army's vehicle fleet. The Supacat HMT, with its proven history and nearly 1,000 units in operation, is seen as a reliable and low-risk option. Meanwhile, the Dingo 3 offers exceptional protection and adaptability, with a V-hull design for enhanced resistance against mines and IEDs. Both platforms can be integrated with the RIwP system, making them strong contenders for roles within the GBAD initiative. Another key feature of the RIwP system is its integration with the Starstreak missile. This missile, which has already proven effective in Ukraine, uses 3 tungsten darts guided by laser beams, capable of hitting targets up to 7 kilometers away at speeds exceeding Mach 3. It is an ideal weapon for countering low-flying aircraft, helicopters, and drones, making it a critical asset in modern air defense systems. As part of its modernization efforts, the British Army is advancing the GBAD program to address evolving aerial threats. This includes integrating systems like the Sky Sabre and common anti-air modular missiles to ensure that British forces are equipped to counter a broad spectrum of airborne threats. The RIwP, paired with the Supacat HMT and Dingo 3, plays a crucial role in this strategic shift. Both vehicles offer significant advantages. The Supacat HMT, with its established operational track record, is a proven workhorse in challenging environments, while the Dingo 3's superior mine protection and modular design offer increased crew survivability and operational flexibility. Together, they provide the British Army with versatile, effective platforms for the future of air defense and ground mobility. As the British Army looks ahead to 2030, with the goal of streamlining its fleet to just 15 vehicle types, the integration of advanced platforms like the Supacat HMT and Dingo 3, equipped with cutting-edge systems like the RIwP, will be a crucial part of this effort. These vehicles represent the future of defense, offering a combination of mobility, protection, and adaptability that is essential for modern military operations. Moog's RIwP, integrated with these next-gen armored vehicles, is set to play a pivotal role in the British Army's transformation, ensuring it remains ready to face the aerial threats of tomorrow today.